Now, dili ko ka-conclude or whatsoever ha, but in my previous video, akong explain kung saan siyang bruxism or what we call the teeth grinding or the jaw clenching. And again, we're not including anything, but no one understand the features of such nga no gaing ani ang usa ka tawo if naay influence.
Keep going.